All right, this is identify functions. The code is ELJ on your 8th grade IXL. And this is once you hit about 64, you get questions like this. It says, which of these function relations is a function? So a relation is just a set of ordered pairs. And we said a function is when every x only gives you one y value. So look at each one, and if an x is giving you more than one different y, then it's not a function. So 20, does it only give you 18? No. If you look down here, 20 gives you -6 as well. So this is not a function. So let's look at this one. Does 3 only give you a 17? Yes. Does 2 only give you a -20? Yes. 14, does it only give you a 14? Yes. And -7 only gives you a 7. So this is a function. So this is the one that is a function. Okay. Now we have multiple graphs. So which of these relations is a function? In other words, which of them will pass the vertical line test? This one does not pass the vertical line test because you have a point here and a point here. X can't be 0 and 3 and 0 and -2. That doesn't make sense. So this cannot be a function. Okay, let's go to look at the next one. Does this pass the vertical line test? It does. There's only 1 point up and down here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. So this would be the function. Okay, there should only be one correct answer. If it said select all that apply, then you have to go and select more than one. And let's do it again. Does this pass the vertical line test? It does not. Look, there is a point there, and there's a point there. X cannot be both 3, 0 and 3, -5. So it can't be this one. How about this one? Does this pass the vertical line test? No. Look, it cannot cross in these two different places. So it's not that one. How about this? Does that pass the vertical line test? It does. Okay. So let's do some of these a little bit faster. So we know that this doesn't pass, this doesn't pass. It looks like this one doesn't pass because of this. And this one does pass the vertical line test. Okay. So which of them is a function? Let's do it again. Does 8 only give you 12? Yes, because there's only one 8. 10 can only give you -12, and -9 can give you 0. So I'm going to select this one. And if you look down here, there's two 7s. One 7 gives you 14, and one 7 gives you -20. So it can't be that. There's two 15s. 15 can't give you -6 and -16. And the last one here, 18 cannot give you three different values. It can't give you 17, 3, and 10. So there's only that one is correct.